Welcome to Vision Achieved, my daily video about advice on one stock, how that company is doing, and then developing a habit to purchase at least one stock per day. So today we will see which stock to buy. Now I believe in buying one stock per day instead of spending on something which is not so necessary. Okay. So the company we have selected is Vinati Organics Limited. Today is May 26, 2023. And I'll tell you why this company is worth looking for investment, buying some shares and making 20 to 30% or maybe 15% in this case in next 45 days to 90 days time. Okay. So we will see the fundamentals of this company and then we'll look into some of the right technical signals. Fundamentals, all the fundamental data of Vinati Organics. Very nice site. So here you can see the market capital of this company is 18,000 crore. And we always start with the three important ratios, ROCE, ROE, and ROA, which are very high. ROCE 33%, 30%, ROE 22%, and return on asset 19.8%, which is very, very high. It shows that the management of this company is good. They know how to run the business and they are delivering good return on investment, return on equity, return on capital employed, return on assets. At the same time, the company is doing really well because they have practically no debt, no loan, just 20 lakh. And they are generating a net profit of 458 crore. That means with a loan of 20 lakh, they are generating a net profit of 458 crore. Practically, this company has no dependency on loan. Their earning before interest and tax is 606 crore from a sale of 2000 crore. Their operating profit is 695 crore. Very big numbers, solid fundamental. The interest they paid last year is just 63 lakhs and their cash flow in hand is 578 crore. These are amazing numbers. Only one negative thing is that this company promoters have 74% holding, out of which they have given 0.66, less than 1% on pledge, which even though less than 1%, it's a big amount. So how to calculate this amount? It's come to around 80-90 crore in my based on my calculation. So if the market capital is 1800 and 240 crore and the owners have 74%, 0.741. So that means the value of owners holding is 13,500 crore, of which 1% is divided by 100 and of which 66% of 1% is multiplied by 0.66. So they pledged some share and have taken a loan in the range of 90 crore to 100 crore, which as such is not a big deal, or probably this number has been reducing because their net profit is already 458 crore. So that means 74% of 458 crore belongs to them, and this number was less than that. So they have reduced the pledge, hopefully. So fundamentals are positive. Let's see here. Quick review. Sales, annual sales last year 2000 crore, which has seen a growth of 29%. Operating profit 595 crore, which is a growth with a growth rate of 36%. Net profit 458 crore, growth rate of 32%. In short, the fundamental of this company are great. So now, next move on to the next thing. Here we get to see the candles and various charts. The chart we are applying today is Bollinger Band. Can you see this blue band here? Right? This blue band is known as Bollinger Band. This gives us a very powerful signal when to invest and when to exit a stock. So this stock is currently entering a zone where it is very attractive to buy this stock. At the same time, in last few days, the volume of trade has dropped. So whenever the volumes start dropping, that is an indicator that the trend is likely to change. Number one. Number two is another indicator called Bollinger percentage B, which has gone below the 0.03 range, and now it has returned and entered back. So this is a very powerful signal which says that the trend reversal is imminent and very soon this stock will start rising. The third indicator, which is equally powerful, which works on completely different formula and theory, is RSI. This is also giving a signal. However, whenever this signal crosses inside, that becomes a pakka signal to invest in the stock, which is likely to happen in a day or two. For that, you need to have at least a green candle here. So we anticipate that this will happen in a day or two and the stock will come back. And the third signal is MACD, which is moving average, convergence, and divergence. All this I teach in my Vision Achieved 1 year training program, where you will analyze 1000 stock and become a master when to enter a stock and when to exit by making 15, 20, 30% of profit on every stock. So here MACD is also giving a positive signal, RSI is giving a signal, and Bollinger percentage B is also giving positive signal. And therefore, this stock, which is currently at 1766, is likely to grow, and it will face first resistance when it will at previous resistance level of 2011, and next will be at 2033, although the ultimate growth possible is somewhere at the 2195. Okay, so in next 45 days to 90 days, we can expect this to cross 2030, which is pretty good actually, by the way. So current rate 2030, if we keep as target sale price minus today's price of 1765, okay, so which is 265 rupees divided by 1765. This stock can easily give us 15% in coming few weeks, 45 days to 90 days period, which is phenomenally good as compared to the prevailing bank rates or any other mutual fund which give you next 2 to 3 months. So now I invite you to make investment. We will buy one share of this company. And here we will buy one stock. NSC, buy one stock of Vinati Organics. You can buy either at NSC or BSC. Quantity 1, and we will buy it at market price. Okay? So the transaction happens instantly. So you have to know what is happening in the market. So this is how the current situation of Vinati is. At NSC, there are so many bids going on. People are willing to sell, willing to buy at 1765, 20 paise, 5 paise, 1765, 1654. And there are so many people who are willing to sell at 1766.30, 1767.30, like that. So we will say market price, whatever is the transaction going on, the share will be purchased instantly. So here we say buy and done. The stock is come. Tomorrow morning, this stock will be in my account. And the next step. Okay. Okay. So the next step is we will now sell this stock somewhere in the time frame of August 1st to August 20th, when this stock is likely to touch 2011 to 2190 in the range of 13% to 20%. Okay. So that's how we develop the habit of buying one stock per day and make decent money in coming few weeks. Okay. Thank you. For more detail, join my course with Vision Achieved. It's a 1 year training for you where you would analyze more than 1000 stock and learn when to enter a stock and when to exit and make decent profit. Okay. Thank you.